Hi, I'm Dr. Carl Doerhoff. I'm a general surgeon and I specialize in repairing hernias. Well, my older brother was a surgeon and I followed in his footsteps. I've always been good with my hands, but what I really like about surgery is the ability to make a diagnosis and to take care of post-op problems. For a non-medically informed person, I tell them I fix hernias. That's the simplest thing. Hernias are holes, and it used to be we tried to pull those holes together. That was caused tension repairs. They were very painful. There were high recurrence rates. And now it's tensionless repair, which means we may bring two edges of a defect together, but then it's reinforced, usually with a piece of mesh, sometimes permanent mesh, sometimes absorbable mesh. My greatest strength is being a physician. The science of medicine means that I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with a patient and try to help that patient, and that does not always require an operation. It's been said that if you listen to a patient, they'll tell you what's wrong, and that's true. Once I get the information I need to help that patient out, whether it requires additional testing or whether it requires a procedure, then I treat them like family and talk to them like they're my friends. Outside of surgery, I like being outdoors, whether it's being with my 3 kids or chasing my 8 grandkids around. I challenge myself all the time, and when I come across a diagnosis I had not seen for a while, I update myself by going to the literature and confirming that I know how to care for that patient, and most of the time it's a non-surgical diagnosis. MU Healthcare provides a wide range of specialties, and I have the opportunity to utilize those specialties. So if it's a diagnosis I don't take care of directly, I can find somebody within the healthcare system that can take care of that patient.